You can tell it's like later in the day for me too, because I'm like stuttering. I'm stuttering.
I'll count you down.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit channel. Nicole Andrews here. So we're gonna make a nice fall salad, and there's only a few ingredients in this salad, so it's pretty easy to make. And if you don't like fruit in your salad, sorry, because some people don't like fruit in their salad, but this one has some fruit and some healthy fats, and you can also add protein if you want. You can add if you're eating organic chicken or other protein, if you want to add quinoa, you can, but this is the basic of the salad, and I usually just have this. So what's in this fall salad? Let's talk about that. So we're using spring mix, and everything's organic, so we want to make sure that definitely your greens are organic, and we have pomegranate seeds here. So instead of having to get it, and, you know, a lot of people don't want to deal with pomegranates because they're like messy and weird. I think that you could just get them already shelled, so that's cool. Apples, we have pears. Little goat cheese, if you want, on this salad is decadent, but if you're not eating dairy, goat cheese is a little bit easier to digest, but it's still all good without it because you also have the healthy fats of the walnuts. So let's talk about the dressing. The dressing is super easy to make. We're using apple cider vinegar, very alkalizing and neutralizing to the body, extra virgin olive oil, a little Dijon mustard, a little maple syrup just for that fall effect, and not too much because we don't want too much sugar. We don't want to be like Elf, you know, where he like eats maple syrup on spaghetti. Like, we don't want to do that. But it gives it that little flavor. So sea salt and pepper to your liking, and that's it, guys. So super simple. So we're going to get to make this fall salad, and don't forget, if you like our Eternity Warrior videos, check that button, subscribe, tap that bell so that you know you're going to get all these great videos straight in your inbox. So let's get to making some salad. I'm such a dork. I can't. It was too, we can edit it.